The Garmin Fenix series has established itself as a trusted companion for outdoor enthusiasts and athletes alike. Known for its rugged durability, comprehensive tracking capabilities, and innovative features, the Fenix line continues to set a high standard in the world of adventure smartwatches. As whispers about the upcoming Garmin Fenix 8 grow louder, excitement builds around the potential advancements this new model might bring to the table. A versatile design and display for every adventurer. One of the standout features of the Garmin Fenix 8 is its versatile design, which is expected to cater to a wide range of users. The Fenix 8 will likely be available in 3 distinct sizes: 43mm, 47mm, and 51mm. The design of the Fenix 8 is rumored to incorporate premium materials with options for both stainless steel and titanium bezels and bodies. This choice not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of the watch, but also contributes to its durability, making it a reliable companion for rugged outdoor activities. AMOLED screen, a new era display technology. A major upgrade in the Fenix 8 is expected to be its AMOLED screen. This advanced display technology promises to deliver sharper visuals and more vibrant colors than the traditional screens used in earlier models. This focus on display quality reflects Garmin's commitment to improving user interaction with their devices. Cutting-edge features tailored for the outdoors. The Garmin Fenix 8 is poised to carry forward the legacy of its predecessors by offering a comprehensive suite of features that cater to the needs of athletes and outdoor enthusiasts. At its core, the Fenix 8 is expected to include essentials like heart rate monitoring and GPS tracking, built-in sports apps, and tracking capabilities. One of the defining characteristics of the Fenix series is its extensive range of built-in sports apps, and the Fenix 8 will likely continue this tradition. Moreover, the Fenix 8 is anticipated to come equipped with advanced training features, including recovery time advice, VO2 max estimation, and training load balance. Enhanced navigation and mapping features. Navigation is another area where the Fenix 8 is expected to excel. Building on the strong foundation laid by its predecessors, the Fenix 8 will likely offer enhanced mapping capabilities, including topographical maps, ski maps, and turn-by-turn navigation. The convenient flashlight feature. Introduced in the previous generation, the built-in flashlight feature has proven to be a popular addition, and it's expected to make a return in the Fenix 8. Rumored innovations, voice control, and hands-free calls. While the Garmin Fenix 8 is expected to build upon the robust foundation of its predecessors, rumors suggest that it may also introduce some groundbreaking new features. Voice control, enhancing convenience on the go. Imagine being able to control your watch using just your voice. The rumored voice control feature could allow users to perform tasks such as starting a workout, setting a timer, or asking for directions without needing to touch the watch. Hands-free calls, staying connected anywhere. The addition of a built-in microphone and speaker could also facilitate hands-free calls. This feature would enable users to make and receive calls directly from their watch, keeping them connected even when their phone is not easily accessible. While these features are still speculative, their inclusion would significantly enhance the Fenix 8's appeal, making it not only a powerful tool for tracking fitness and navigation, but also a versatile communication device. Unmatched battery life and solar charging. One of the standout aspects of the Garmin Fenix 8 is its anticipated battery life. Garmin has always prioritized battery efficiency in its Fenix series, understanding that adventurers need a device that can keep up with their active lifestyles. Solar charging. Power from the sun. The Fenix 8's solar charging capability is set to be a major selling point. By harnessing the power of the sun, the watch can extend its battery life indefinitely, provided the user spends enough time outdoors. Energy-efficient hardware. Maximizing longevity. In addition to solar charging, the Fenix 8 is expected to feature energy-efficient hardware that conserves power without compromising performance. Whether you're tracking a marathon, navigating a complex trail, or simply going about your daily routine, the Fenix 8 is designed to deliver the performance you need while optimizing battery consumption. Expected release date. Mark your calendars. As the excitement builds around the Garmin Fenix 8, the question on everyone's mind is, when will it be available? While Garmin has yet to make an official announcement, industry insiders suggest that the Fenix 8 could be launching in September 2024. That's it for now. For more updates, kindly subscribe to my channel. Bye.